Guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in this video I will tell you how to fix error 403 forbidden error, fix Windows 10, how to fix website error code 403 access denied on Chrome. So to fix this error we will go to our control panel. In the control panel we will go to our network and sharing center. Now here we will click on change adapter settings. In here you have to click on Wi-Fi and right click on properties. Now here we have to click on Internet Protocol version 4 TCP/IPv4. Here we have to click use the following DNS server address. Here we have to click 88888 and in here we have to click 8844. So we will click validate settings upon exit. Now we will click OK. Now after this we have to scroll down in here. Now in the Internet Protocol version 6 TCP/IPv6 we have to uncheck this and then we will click OK. It is detecting problems. Now we'll click close the troubleshooter. So this is the video. This is a method to fix this error 403 for an error. So thanks for watching. We will see you in the next video. तब तक के लिए हाफिज़. Bye. Please subscribe my YouTube channel Technical Khan Saab. So bye.